Hello friends, so I'm here to give you a 2-week update on this shower. But first, I gotta take a shower. Okay, I'm in the shower. Boy, this is risky. But I wanted you guys to see what this ceramic coating does. See how it just dribbles down? That's what it's supposed to be. Supposed to be doing. That's what you call hydrophobics. It won't stick to it. Now this is a look inward. And you will see there's not a lot of water falling. And the reason why is because the majority of it fell when I was in the shower and just after I turned off the water. It is a product that is designed to protect it and create hydrophobics so that the water doesn't stick as well. So, just took my shower. So let's do a quick talk about why you would want a ceramic coat on your shower door. Alrighty, so why do we want a ceramic coat on the door? Well, the reason we want a ceramic coat on the door is because it prevents the water from sticking. Now, if you have hard water, it's going to cause like this white chalky stuff, okay? If you have grime, because when you take your shower, you're going to have a lot of grime. I mean, especially somebody who's got a hard-working husband who's been working in the shop all day and he's greasy and gunky. You know, it just gets on the shower. There's just nothing you can do for it. And you always appreciate your man working for you. So, you know, we just do what we have to do to keep the shower clean. But sometimes we need a little bit of help, making it easier. And that's why I did what I did. Now, I get dirty because I'm in construction. I drive a truck in construction part-time. But up until just 2 years ago, I was working all the time, 14, 15 hours a day. I got nasty dirty. That would go on the shower door. The soap that you use, the shampoo that you use, the water sticks. Well, the point of the ceramic coat is to prevent that. So, we're going to see how it does over time, but it has been 2 weeks. I've taken a shower every night just before bed, and it is just before bed, but I wanted to give you this update. Now, you could always do what some moms do. After there's a shower, you could wipe it all down. Or you could just leave it and let it dry. I'm going to leave it and let it dry. I'm not going to do anything to it for the next 2 weeks, because the last 2 weeks, I'm not lying, a few times I've wiped it down. I wanted to keep it. I wanted to keep it looking good. But I need to get it in my head. That's what the ceramic coat is for, woman. But that way when I come in 2 weeks, we'll see what it does. Okay? So, there you go. It's looking good. It's looking really good. Look at that doorknob. You can see it plain as day. Light switches. It's awesome. So, there's a lot of benefits to using these types of products in your home, in your bathroom. And I will talk about on another video the benefits of using certain products in your home, especially a ceramic coat. So with that being said, I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful week, weekend, whatever it is. Me, I'm going to go to bed now. So, thanks for hanging out, guys. I sure do appreciate it. And until the next one, we will see you later.